And now it's time for today's daily forecast with EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martridge.
Good Thursday morning to Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martridge with your outlook for July 26, 2018. And we had a tremendous amount of rain over the last 5 days. I think we're all looking for a break, and we're going to have that today. National Weather Service State College, the Twitter account yesterday, put out a graphic that had this area circled right here, or actually put in a square. This square area, in terms of volume of water, had 2.2 trillion gallons of water fall in that area, which is insane. That's why we have a lot of the flooding issues. We all saw what happened with Hershey Park and adjacent places around there. I mean, we had some areas that were over a foot of rain, which is incredible for a 5-day period. And then a dramatic drop off further east. We still had some 2, 3, 4, 5-inch rain amounts in far eastern Pennsylvania, but once you get to New Jersey and Delaware, not really noteworthy. All right, even down here by Philadelphia, not really noteworthy there either. Some places a little further north, Allentown further north up to the Poconos, you had some 3 or 4 inch rain amounts there, but nothing like we've seen in central Pennsylvania. And thankfully, that's finally coming to an end today, so a chance to dry out a little bit. We'll have some opportunity for a few showers early on. We'll go over the NAM high-res future simulated radar. I'm going to start this off at 7 a.m. Just a few residual showers possible very early. This is 7 a.m., and it's going to quickly move off to the east and get out of here. So most areas are just morning clouds giving way to sun. This afternoon definitely will be, we'll see sun. We're going to see the sun quicker in central PA as this stuff moves out of here, and the clouds will end up moving out with it. So not a bad day overall. We'll have temperatures climbing a little bit. We're going to have, yesterday we're kind of near 80 or thereabout, or we're around 80 degrees, within a few degrees of it. Today we're going to be up in the mid-80s, 85, 86, 87 in some places, and very warm for your Thursday. But the humidity is not going away. Going over to the global models again, here's a look at later on Thursday. Again, nothing really going on here as far as precipitation today, just those early morning showers are going to go away. And then we have another, I'll get to Friday, a cold front's going to be approaching from the west. This is a cold front's actually extend all the way down here like this, okay? Scattered showers and thunderstorms that are going to be out ahead of it. And we're going to get some scattered showers and thunderstorms out in central Pennsylvania first, and we're going to make our way southeast throughout the day. Just going to be a quick line of storms, I think. And there is a little bit of a severe potential with it. It will be strong winds that we're going to get. If we had any severe weather from this, it would be from strong winds. That's what we're looking at for Friday. And it'll be later in the afternoon and evening for areas farther in east. I don't see these areas right in here. I don't really see any severe potential. It's once you get down a little bit further south and east. So maybe Lancaster to Allentown up to northern New Jersey and point southeast, so you can take advantage of the best heating of the day and the more instability that is needed to aid these thunderstorms and get them going and get a little bit stronger. So that'll be Friday afternoon and evening that we're dealing with that. Once we get into tomorrow's video, we'll get in more into what the NAM is showing, because it's going to have a line of storms coming through. We'll have a better idea of what we're dealing with when the NAM comes into better range. So right now it looks like just late in the day and evening, you have a lot of scattered showers and thunderstorms. This is just a 1 to 2 hour duration thing, not a real big deal. So not really, although you have heavy rain with any thunderstorm, it's a quick in and out thing. It's not going to be lasting very long and not training and going over the same areas over and over again like we've had over the past 70 or past 120 hours. So going forward from this point, we do have the cold front move through. Yesterday we speculated there may be some opportunity for some residual rain on Saturday. That is no longer the case. The models are drying us out for the weekend, so we have partly cloudy skies both Saturday and Sunday, and we're looking at temperatures that are going to be very close to normal with lower humidity. So behind that cold front, we finally get rid of the humidity. Still humidity next around for the next couple of days, today and tomorrow. Over the weekend, it lowers a little bit, but that's going to be just in time before another system move in here for Monday. Here's later on Sunday. Here's the opportunity for the partly cloudy skies and dry conditions again on Sunday. So Saturday and Sunday are both the same. And then we get to Monday, increasing clouds, scattered showers and thunderstorms later in the day. And that's going to continue overnight and into Tuesday. Tuesday looks like the bulk of the precipitation from this next event. Area low pressure off to our west. And we got a couple things going on here. The warm front up here, cold front down here. And we're getting the showers and thunderstorms here on Tuesday moving through the region. And we still have an opportunity for more showers and thunderstorms, scattered thunderstorms on Wednesday with the cold front finally moving through the region, but I do think we dry out later in the week. So it's not going to be a repeat of last week, I don't think. We'll have an opportunity for some heavy rain involved with that system in the Monday to Wednesday time frame, but I just don't see this evolving the same way we had this week, or certainly not as many days. But also, with this system, Monday through Wednesday, it is not going to be as potent. So not as much heavy rainfall. Areas that already had so much rain and really needed a chance to dry out. We're going to have that through the weekend, but you really need probably a week straight of just dry weather really to recover. And this is not going to be good for any, even if it's not 4 or 5 inches of rain. You're still talking about areas that got 10 to 12 inches of rain or even more in some places out here in central PA. We really need an extended period for those areas to dry out. And this will help to exacerbate the situation out here in central Pennsylvania. So we will watch this closely early next week, but we'll have an opportunity to dry out for the most part, except for those late day storms on Friday over the next 4 days, today being the first day of that and Sunday being the last, before we get into the unsettled weather early next week. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for July 26, 2018. Have a great Thursday.